Jesus left me on the street, she's a real lifesaver.
And what about your pops? He's a real OG. Yeah, he's always had your back, that's as far as I can see.
Yeah, I followed his footsteps, I'm a gambling addict. Guess I love the fucking struggle, I'm professional at it.
While y'all are in an argument, fighting on who started it, I'm up late night looking for a sexual partnership. Plus my dick is hard as shit, the devil's who I barter with. Now I am an arsonist, you don't want no part of this.
What does love gotta do with it? The only thing I know is hey. What does love gotta do with it? The only thing I know is hey. What does love gotta do with it? Yeah. The only thing I know is hey. What does love gotta do at all? The only thing I know is hey. Anyways, yeah, fuck that last guy's opinion. I've always been a fuck up like these 2 sluts and 10 men. Change the fucking station, yeah, I'm sick of this song. I'd rather tape a fucking bomb to my chest and be finished.
Let's not take it that far, let's not go that route. Do we need a one-on-one? Are there things to talk about like gambling or suicide? Is this really do or die?
I don't really need advice, I'd rather taste my fucking knife.
How about y'all move aside? Let me make the mood right. Taking drugs and losing fights, driving fast and losing sight. She on me like a Harley bike. Fuck you, bitch, I speak my mind. Check my watch and the clock, said it's fucking party time.
Let me check my watch too, looking like we right on schedule. Hey, I need a favor, bro, you see that watch is precious metal. All you really gotta do is push that button in the middle. Alright bro, push that motherfucker. Go ahead, do it right now bro, go. What does love gotta do with it? The only thing I know is hey. What does love gotta do with it? The only thing I know is hey.